This is a video on replacing a 2006 CLS500 Mercedes Serpentine belt. This is the old belt, a mess. This is the new belt I picked up from the parts store today. Had to have the car towed back home. And this is my tensioner bar. I just bought it, this bar. And it's a 17 millimeter socket. And you need to locate that tensioner socket so you know you need to put your bolt when you get ready to take the tension off, when you get ready to put the belt back on. So here I am starting to put the belt on, and you need to put this belt all the way around first on all the pulleys, on the outer pulleys, and then take the one off the top and pull it in the center and put it on the tensioner. And then when you do that, you put your tensioner bar. But if you need to move this filter, this vent right here for the filter, because it's in the way of my tensioner bar, but you might use something shorter. So I push down all the way, and you're gonna have to hold it down and situate it in that belt on there. And make sure it's all even, and just pull up on it and just kind of slide it up on there and let the tension off of it. And you need to get a good visual and check everything, make sure everything is even and it's not crooked on there, or it's secured properly. And that's it. And if you don't know how to put it on, the belt on, just look on Google your vehicle and look at the way the belt should be placed on there. That's it.